Washing machine. Washing machine, please!
He's fucking his table!
Stop this now! It's not stopping!
Oh, I'm gonna cry!
It's going cyclic! I'll be right back.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Alright, we're fine. Everything's good. Everything okay? It just does that sometimes. It's normal. Alright, let's
I can barely fucking see straight, dude. It's like boning the fuck out of his table. Oh my god! It's time to be a branded day. I'm a branded day. I'm a branded day. It sounds like it's coming back.
it's fine. It just does that.
Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh.
You check these jackets?
No. Oh, you
I
gotta
hear
scout
someone?
outside, yeah. Oh,
Kill that retard.
I'm working on it. I don't really know where he is, though.
Why does my washing machine low-key sound like back shots?
I think they're outside the wall towards the... They're coming around, like, kind of where I am, but on the other side of the wall. Oh my god.